folks. Thank you for joining me for the Harrison Repair Show. I'm Brian Harrison. Actually, I just called Harrison Repairs. Um, and yeah, I just want to leave a friendly reminder. Don't please forget to comment, subscribe, and leave a like on the video. And if you're on Rumble, follow me there. Um, I upload videos there too. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook. And links and descriptions are in the home pages of both YouTube and Rumble. Um, I want to say that I hope you enjoy the show, whether we're repairing something, whether we're showing tools that you can buy, simple, maybe even simple tools, tools to help you with a repair. But I hope you enjoy today's video. So please sit back and let's begin the show. Hello folks, I want to show you today another kit. Yes, it's a little, I didn't realize it had a little fur on there, but anyway, I guess my cat brushed up against it. This is a Hyper Tough. I got this from Walmart, and so what I wanted to show you was this kit. Another I'm trying to do on this repair channel. I did like 3 repairs or something, but I want to show you some tools you can get to do your own basic repairs, and you don't have to do, I think everyone should at least know how to change the battery out of their car. If you can, fix your tires the best you can. I mean, you should know certain things. Well, this we got mostly for, when I got it for battery, for replacing battery in my car, and for some other things that can deal with the car. But there's quite a few tools in here. So let's open this. It's in this nice little tough, nice little zip-up thing. If you can get a toolkit, especially if you're just starting out, I recommend it for people, because I did that, or I actually had someone do that for me. I didn't. They gave it to me as a Christmas gift. And at first, you're kind of like, I didn't hate tools, but at first I was like, that's not always what you see in a Christmas gift. But I liked it. I ended up liking it because you should be able to have like a hammer, basic tools, and that's what I'm doing here too. Not just the idea if I can repair something, I will show that, but also show some tools. So here we go. Let's open some of the tools I use. Okay, so as you can see, there's a screwdriver. I added this in there. I just saw it. I think I paid I don't think I paid very much for this one. This one was slightly bigger. This one at the end here, I have another one that's by itself, but I've used, and you can, I'm not going to pull it out, or maybe I will. Yeah, it's the same one I used, and I realized I was able to replace the battery one, but I only had one of these. So I realized I needed to get better and have some more tools to fix a car. I even have vice grips and stuff. I may not know all the names. You can correct me if I get anything wrong, because I know what they do. I'm just not good with names, okay? I'll be honest. I have this, wrench thing. So, I got this, the tire, so you do know it's focused on auto a bit. I think this kit was focused on auto more, but you can use these tools cross. But I keep this together because when I go to do, if I go to do anything that involves basic repairs, because I can do basic, not like battery, I can replace my battery. I've done it before. I'll replace my battery in my car, go get a new one, and then install it. It's really not that hard. It's actually fairly easy. And if you don't know, watch someone do it, and then realize, oh, I can do that. I just need the toolkit. And get something like this. Look for a toolkit that has this type of stuff in it, even if you just start out with one. Okay, but this toolkit is, I think it'll do very well. It has for me so far. But I'm not sitting out there building cars either. Replacing my battery isn't going to wear out my tool once in a great while. I hardly use these tools. I only use them if I have to. So I have the tire pressure thing. I can check my tire pressure and fill it accordingly. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed by it. So here you go. Let's see. Will it zoom in? There you go. But anyway, you have your you have all this other shit. You have your screwdriver. I have so many of these things. I don't even bother with them anymore. I may pull only one of them out if I can. I actually have quite a bit. So many of these because it came with another kit sometimes, and it's not bad to have more than one of these things, but I have quite a few. I know I have another screwdriver set that has this, that has these. I also have one that has a bunch of other ones that aren't even here that I just bought actual kit. It was like an electronic kit, but I just go to this tool out of my local Walmart or Target and just kind of look at kits and then see, hey, is there something that the kit doesn't have I could add a little extra to? And it's a good idea during this economy time. If you can fix it yourself, then you save yourself money. And that's how I look at it. And I do, because instead of someone installing it. Now some places, if you don't have to install a battery, but someone else will, you pay for the battery and the installation can be free. It depends. I know Walmart will do that. And I don't know if they do it commonly, but it can be that way. So, as long as you pay for the battery, they'll just put the new one in. It doesn't take them much to do it. And it doesn't take you much to do it. It doesn't take me much to do it. Like, let's say I can't bring my car. I know all I have to do is unscrew it, buy the new battery I need, take the old battery in. They'll give me some money back, and the new battery will be cheaper, and I pay for the battery. So, there you go. Anyway, so I'll put this back. But everything in this kit came with this kit. You could tell the only thing I really have used is something like this one. But now I have it by itself, and it's funny because sometimes you buy a toolkit and you realize now you don't really need to use it, which that's good. That's a good thing. I don't need to use it that much. I'm not against that. Okay, but I'm not going to be spending $200 on tools if I can help it, if I really don't do much repairing all the time or fixing. And I don't. We live in an apartment. We only do stuff like the car or, maybe a few things that we have in our home. But we like building when we built furniture or something like that for a bit. But other than that, this is it. I mean, and it just sits around unless I need it. Just like my other tools, they sit around until I need them. So everybody should have a basic repair kit, even if they're not a mechanic or whatever. They can, hopefully you can learn some stuff. Maybe you can save yourself some money and learn to repair. You look at YouTube videos to show how they take out the battery, put a new one in. That's another way. Ask someone who has done it, and maybe they can help you. Don't forget to have your own kits. So if you get an emergency, maybe you would have one in the car, I've thought about having at least a wrench in the car. Maybe I'd have a pack like this. Maybe I should look into it. Having a pack like this in the car. I'm not a big fan of always keeping tools in the car because even at the cheaper prices, they cost money still. But I may do it. It's kind of nice to have an emergency kit in your car and outside your car. It's kind of, so yeah. So here it is. This is all it. This is your I want to say Allen wrenches, if I'm not mistaken. But I know how to use them and what they do. I'm just not, and they fit, fit certain nuts and bolts and screws and all that stuff. I just not good at the names, okay? I may know a few things, but I'm not good at names, but I know what they do. So it's almost more important to know what they do than what the name is, in my opinion. Because someone could tell you stuff. Anyway. So this is what I have. I'm pretty happy with it. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys pick yourself up a kit, even in this economy time, to at least do basic repairs on what you do have. Anyway, from now, I'll leave with a closing thought, and I'll see you there. I want to thank you for joining us for the Harrison Repair. I guess we call it Harrison Repair Show, but it's actually Harrison Repairs. I hope you enjoyed what we showed you today on video. And when we do these things, we take a camera and go and show you. We're not talking about it on a green screen all the time. So I want to thank you for whatever. If we showed you a repair or tool, thank you so much. But please don't forget to comment, subscribe, and leave a like on our videos. And it helps us out a lot. And don't forget to Follow us on Rumble and on Facebook. And yeah, I just want to thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a nice day. God bless, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.